Hey, this is my brother and my lighter collection. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my brother's brass Zippo. It's really nice. And then my Zippo knife, I'm not even going to get into that. And then my Zippo Hazardous. And then my first Zippo ever, it's the digital camo one. It's pretty cool. One sec, it takes a little because there, and see, look at the wick. It's kind of burned out. And then this is my U.S. Marines Zippo. It's the Navy Corps in the Marines. I haven't opened it yet. And then this is my bottoms up one because it has the bottom on the top and the top on the bottom. Like, it has the bottom on the top, and I haven't opened it either. And this is my first Zippo Slim, and my only Zippo Slim. And, yeah. And then this is my Black Ice. Yeah, most of them are out of lighter fluid, so not any, like, a couple of them won't work. And then this is my brother's first Zippo ever, his Harley Davidson Blue Flames. And then these are just our butane, some of our butanes. These are all my brother butane lighters. This is his first one. I mean, not his first one, this is... And then this is kind of just a cool but crappy one at the same time, because it's just a disposable. It's just a disposable one inside a case, but it's a pretty good lighter. And then this one has 4 jets, I mean. And then this one has 2, and it has an LED light. And then this one is just a basic one with a really big flame. Same with this one. Just that. And then this was my brother's first butane lighter ever. And it's probably out also. And this one is really cool because the flame, it's green on it. See? And so, yeah. And then this one, it's also probably out. Okay, let's move up here to my other lighters. Right there. This one is my first Bic lighter ever. It's that I've got for myself. It's pretty cool. And then this one was my first butane lighter. Right there, it has 3 jets. 2, I mean, sorry. Keep getting those mixed up. Okay. And these two are really similar. They're both bike chains, but one's gold, as of course you can see in one's a bike chain. Okay. Set those down because this one's pretty cool. My brother got me this. It looks like a shotgun shell, and then it's a lighter, and it's really easy to light because of its octagon shape spin wheel. This one's just a crappy disposable one. I got this on vacation. And this one also, it's pretty hard to see, but this one, it has a green flame also. Oh, it's all out of, wait. Yeah, you can't see it only if you're in the dark. And then this one, it's a really cool one. It looks like a 50 cal bullet, but you open it, it's a lighter, and it has a red flame, but once again, you can only see it in the dark. And then up here, I just have my butanes, and I have a pack of matches. Well, they're actually right here, my pack of matches. I just like them because they're really good matches. And then, so yeah, those are just like my wicks and my butane. And then on this side, I have this one, It is a tiki, and his eyes light up, and he has a pretty good one. And then this one, my dad got me and my brother, and then my brother just gave it to me because I'm more of a big lighter collector. And then this one's really cool, but it's kind of it's really out of butane. And so let me see if, but it has a switchblade on the front of it, and it's also out of butane. It's been kind of messed up lately. This one I just felt like getting. It was a few dollars at the gas station. It lights up and has a puny flame. And then this one right here, it's a pretty cool one. No, I think it's broken. And then I'm just gonna set most of these down. This one I got at an Army surplus for $5. It's pretty cool. But it gets really annoying. And this one I also got with that. It's a pretty cool one. It has a really big flame. And then this one I got for my brother, and then my brother got it for me because it's kind of messed up because it only works one time, and then you have to let it sit, and then you do it. This one's a pretty cool one. It opens up, and then it has a pretty good flame. And then this one, my brother also gave it to me. It was broken. And then, so yeah, I'm just going to set these back up. 1 second. These are in order, so. And then up here, they're just my Bics. And then these ones aren't Bics. They have really big flames though. And so, yeah, and I think that might be it. So, thank you for joining us, and I hope you liked our video.